और अब आपको बताएं कि अमरीकी वजीर जंग पीट हेग्सेथ ने तेहरान को अमरीका की अच्छी डील कबूल करने का मशवरा दिया और वाज़ेह किया कि अमरीका का मकसद ये यकीनी बनाना है कि ईरान किसी सूरत एटमी हथियार हासिल न करे। ईरान के खिलाफ दबाव और नाकः बंदी जारी रखने का ऐलान भी कर दिया।
For 47 years, Iran has been at war with America, killing our citizens, our soldiers, and our allies. President Trump said it again yesterday. We have all the time in the world, and we're not anxious for a deal. And I hear him say it every day in private as well. Iran knows that they still have an open window to choose wisely. As we said previously, choose wisely at the negotiating table. All they have to do is abandon a nuclear weapon in meaningful and verifiable ways, or instead they can watch their regime's fragile economic state collapse under the unrelenting pressure of American power. A blockade as long as it takes, whatever President Trump decides. Because the bottom line remains the bottom line. Iran, a nuclear bomb.